Hey, Maddie.
It's Matai.
Whatever. And what does Te Waikai o Te Reo Mary mean?
You mean Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori?
Yeah, that's the one. Mary.
It's Māori.
Mary.
Are you even listening to yourself?
Yeah, I mean, what's the big difference anyway?
Whoa, there is a massive difference, okay? Well, you see, Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Māori had a roast lamb with peas and potatoes.
Let me explain.
Māori, the mother tongue of Aotearoa. You don't know much, listen up, e hoa. It's the language of the land and shores, the key to a culture we can't ignore. It used to thrive, then nearly died, but in recent years it's coming back to life. And you're invited to learn it and use it in everyday life.
Oh yeah? Prove it.
Whakarongo mai e noho e tū, puku ko anō, tangohi o ohu. Whaka naihi me te tepu, kawhi toa me te ngeru. Every place, any face or occupation, kia kaha, come and build a stronger nation. Board the waka with your whānau, join the party. Reignite the fire of Te Reo Māori.
This Māori thing, it's not for me. I want to learn something I'll use overseas.
Give it some thought, not the cold shoulder. It's a big part of our history and culture.
That's true, but I'd feel like a phony, a fifth generation Pakeha speaking Māori.
Engari mō tēnā, bro. The most important thing is to give it a go.
But when I try, I'm filled with terror, afraid of looking dumb and making an error.
One step at a time and soon you'll be running. How do you eat an elephant? You put it in a hangi!
Ke te piakwe,
Kate te pai,
ke te ahakwe,
Kate te kai,
ko waikwe,
Kate te peri.
ah, he tino hatakehi.
Every place, any face or occupation, kia kaha, come and build a stronger nation. Board the waka with your whānau, join the party. Reignite the fire of Te Reo Māori. Take the time to be taught Te Reo from teachers, radio or TV, and enjoy the experience of being educated in a way that's exceptionally easy. And remember, you'll reap the reward, a richer respect for someone else's reality. It's not exclusive for the elite, it's for everyone. You egg, no excuse to retreat. Okay, the opportunity's open, one of our official languages, and we're hoping Kia whakaeke ko te ite waka Māori, whakaorangia ai Te Reo Māori. Every place, any face or occupation, kia kaha, come and build a stronger nation. Board the waka with your whānau, join the party. Reignite the fire of Te Reo Māori. Every place, any face or occupation, kia kaha, come and build a stronger nation. Board the waka with your whānau, join the party. Reignite the fire of Te Reo Māori.